Hey guys, Justin S Team 2, and I'm in the old Corolla 2006 with the rolly windows, okay? And I got Apple CarPlay in my car. So how do I do that? So they have a deal on Best Buy. It's like $300. It's a little bit more than that with all the installation parts and stuff, but installation itself is free. And so I was able to get this this new radio here for around 300 bucks. I'll show you guys on the screen here if the deal's still up. It's a beautiful day in Virginia Beach. See, it's 76. I need an oil change stuff, but yeah, it's also got a lot of miles on it. But so yeah, I mean, if you guys know what Apple CarPlay is, basically it's like you connect your phone into, I plug it into my phone, and then it syncs up with the apps that work with Apple CarPlay, so I can use like my maps. When people text me, it pops up, I click it, it reads it out loud. It's really great. So I mean, like, here I can text like my girlfriend, so I can do this. Okay, so it won't actually let me show you guys a text since I'm recording through my phone. It like cuts out, but you can also press this button here, and then it'll activate Siri. And you can just say whatever, like, "Hey Siri, text mom, I'm on my way home," something like that. You can see the mic is actually right here. They put the mic there, so then I have Bluetooth. Because before this didn't have Bluetooth. It's an older car. You can see like what's playing, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, it has like Spotify on here because I have that on my phone, all free. Has your maps. Then you have the regular radio, of course, too, so I can do like the regular radio just going to Apple CarPlay. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Then it has like if you have any events and stuff, but it's really great radio. Of course, you can like customize it too, like do not disturb while driving. You can have it changed to dark mode and stuff like that. And yeah, it's really cool. I love it. And a really cool feature about it is you can actually say like I route myself to work through my phone. Then I can actually go, when I connect my phone, say I did an Apple Maps, then I open Apple Maps on CarPlay and it'll already have the directions and they're ready to go. So yeah, really cool feature there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just go to Best Buy, show them the deal, and then you set up an appointment and they'll install it for you. So yeah, pretty cool.